One of Bob's videos. Hey Shadow, I'm going to work in my car. Hey Shadow, I don't need a car. I can run faster than a car. Everyone has a car but me! Come on, you big idiot! What am I going to do? You're going to sell me a car. Really? Yes. Really. Come on. I'm in total darkness for a second. Come on. Oh, where are we going? I told you! So, do you have any cars in stock? I have one. Just one? Oh, you make a terrible salesman. Look. Wow. That's your car? Not really my car. You want to get in? Oh, yes. Wow. Beep, beep, where are we going? I don't know. Ha. I better fasten my seatbelts. Yay. Okay. Let's go driving. 2 hours later, we pull back at a place that looks like the same scenery. Toad, you did not fasten your seatbelt. I'm on top of the car. Whoa, I'm gonna fall. Oh no, I'd better help him. Why should I better? Hey Shadow, are you okay? How dare you? How dare I what? How dare you call me by my name? What else would I call you by? You can call me sir. You know, it's respectful. Especially for people that own businesses. Well, I really don't own a business. I can probably sell you a house. I'm going to sell him a house. It's really his house, but he doesn't know that. Oh, so you can sell me a house, huh? Yeah, that one. See, it comes with this built-in garden materials, built-in person, built-in Game & Watch. Game & Watch, huh? All you had to do is carry me up the stairs. Oh, screw you. Ow. Ha! I'll take the rail. Wee. You threw me. How dare you? How dare you not call... how dare you call me by my name? Segota maldito idiotoria. What the crap are you speaking? Dog language. Mugata miyota matata. Potato! Okay, that obviously doesn't work. Don't make me let the dog out of you. Okay. Wow, I actually like this house. What will happen to Shadow in his new, in quotation marks, house? Stay tuned.